A dua that changed destiny. There was a small Muslim girl named Aisha who lived a very simple and difficult life. Her father was ill and the family often struggled to meet daily needs. But despite all the hardships, one thing kept her strong: her faith in Allah and the power of dua. Every evening she would sit quietly outside a nearby mosque. She would watch people entering for prayer, listen to the peaceful call of Adhan, and feel a strange comfort in her heart. While others passed by, Aisha would quietly raise her hands and pray, Ya Allah, please give health to my father, ease our difficulties, and never leave us alone. Her voice was soft, almost like a whisper from her heart. No one paid much attention to her, but Allah was always listening. One day, an old man came to the mosque. He noticed the little girl sitting alone, making dua with tears in her eyes. He stopped for a moment and watched her silently. Then he gently walked toward her and said, Dear child, Allah may delay, but He never forgets. And when He gives the best. These words stayed in Aisha's heart. From that day, her hope became even stronger. Days passed, and life remained difficult. But Aisha never stopped praying. She continued making dua with full faith and patience. Then something unexpected happened. Her father's health slowly began to improve. The doctors were surprised at his recovery. Soon after, a kind person helped him find a better job, and their financial situation started to change. The same home that once felt full of worry slowly became filled with peace and hope. Aisha still went to the mosque every evening, but now her eyes were not filled with sadness. They were filled with gratitude. She looked up at the sky and whispered, I only made a dua, and you changed my entire life. Moral of the story: never underestimate the power of dua. Allah listens, even when no one else does, and His timing is always perfect.